Hello everyone and welcome to this week's watch list review. If you didn't remember, here was my watch list for this week. There wasn't a lot to go off of. I didn't have anything that looked good on inside setups. Nothing looked good to the upside, and we kind of saw that this week. But I had Target, uh, Dow Jones Diamonds, and Dick's Sporting Goods to the downside on two up with a red close. Target did trigger. I think it was this morning. I did see it trigger. I didn't trade it, but it didn't trigger until today. But I don't know what it did from there. So let's take a look at these charts and see. We'll start off with Target. Come down here and see weekly chart. Let me turn the volume down. I don't know if this helps the dinging or not. So we're looking for a break below 220, 222.74, which we had a 2 up followed by a 2 up doji, and we were looking for it was a red doji, so that gave us the 2 up with a red close. So we're looking for a break to the downside. We got it. The trigger was 222.74. If we come down to the daily charts, we see target 1 was at 220.86. Target 2 is at 218.29. Target 3 is at 217. Target 4 at 216.48. Target 5 at 214.60. We took out the first target and almost hit the second one. We hit 218.39. Target 2 was 218.29. But either way, targets hit. Profit should have been made. DIA. Let's take a look at DIA. We're looking for a break below this candle here, 361.13. This is the daily chart. I'll show you the weekly chart. My dog's fussing because my wife just came home, so you could probably hear the dog. So here was the trigger we were looking for here. We're looking for a break below here, and if you come down to the daily, we got that here. Took out targets 1, 2, and 3, and got about halfway to 4. So that's what we had on DIA. Let's take a look at the smaller time frames just for the heck of it to see how it looked. So here's DIA on the. We opened up Monday morning right at the trigger, and right away within the first hour you could have got all three of those targets. So that trade was over Monday morning. I think I did trade that one. Let's take a look at Target on the 60-minute and see how it looked. So we needed. This is where we. Yeah, I said it just triggered this morning. So here we go. It triggered this morning, went down, hit target 1, which was a $2 move. Target 2 was another 250 or so after that. The low was 218.39, while the target 2 was 218.29. So like I said earlier, it didn't quite hit target 2, but it did hit target 1, and should have been making money on that trade. So it's target and DIA both, and like I said in other videos, you go down to the 60-minute, it tells you a much more detailed story. So I like to do that just so we'll see what Dick's did, and we'll see if we have an example here. So if we look at Dick's on the weekly, we're looking for a break below, and we got the break, but we didn't quite hit any targets. Our low was 104.07, and target 1 was 102.90, so we didn't quite. We got a $2.30 some cent move. So I mean, there was the opportunity to make money, but it didn't hit any targets. So I don't want to say that it's a winning trade, even though you could have made money on it, because it didn't do what I thought it would do, or where I thought it would get to. So this was our trigger right here. Monday morning broke down, and then it kind of ramped back up the rest of the way until yesterday, about midday yesterday. Then it pulled back again. So that's my video for this week. We'll get some scans run later. Might not do them till Monday. I won't be home Sunday. Don't know if I'll get to it tomorrow, but the market's closed Monday, so I'll be sure to get it out to you no later than Monday evening. We'll see. We have earnings season coming up here. It's always a fun time. In case you didn't hear the sarcasm in my voice, that's sarcasm. So yeah, we have earnings coming up, and just be careful with that. Keep that in mind. I probably won't be holding anything overnight through earnings season. So again, thanks for watching, and see you guys later. Bye.